Most people think their tight hips, stiff back, and painful shoulders are just part of getting older. But the truth is, 95% of mobility problems come from just a few weak or tight muscles. And the crazy part? You don't need complicated routines, expensive equipment, or hours in the gym to fix it. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple exercises that can dramatically improve your mobility, reduce stiffness, and help your body move the way it's supposed to. If you sit a lot, feel tight, or struggle with flexibility, these exercises could completely change how your body feels. Let's start with the first one. Exercise 1. Deep Squat Hold. The deep squat is one of the most natural human movements, but most people today can't even hold it for 10 seconds. That's because sitting in chairs all day makes our hips, ankles, and lower back stiff. The deep squat helps restore mobility in all 3 areas at the same time. How to do it? Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower your body into a squat. Keep your chest up and heels on the ground. Hold the bottom position for 20 to 30 seconds. If it feels difficult, hold on to something for balance. Do this daily and you'll notice your hips becoming looser and your posture improving. Exercise 2. World's Greatest Stretch. Yes, that's actually what this stretch is called, and it targets multiple mobility areas at once: hips, hamstrings, spine, and shoulders. How to do it? Step into a deep lunge position. Place one hand on the floor. Rotate your upper body and reach the other arm toward the ceiling. Hold for 5 seconds, then switch sides. This movement improves spinal rotation and hip flexibility, which is essential for healthy movement. Athletes use this stretch before games because it activates the entire body. Exercise 3. Hip Flexor Stretch. One of the biggest causes of mobility problems is tight hip flexors. If you sit for long periods, your hip flexors stay shortened all day. Over time, this can cause lower back pain, poor posture, and limited hip mobility. Here's how to fix it. Get into a lunge position with one knee on the floor. Keep your chest upright. Gently push your hips forward. Hold for 30 seconds per side. You should feel a deep stretch in the front of your hip. This simple stretch can instantly improve how your body moves. Exercise 4. Thoracic Spine Rotation. Most people try to fix back pain by stretching their lower back, but often the real problem is a stiff upper spine. Your thoracic spine is responsible for rotation and posture. When it becomes stiff, the lower back has to compensate, which can lead to pain. How to do it? 1. Get on all fours. 2. Place one hand behind your head. 3. Rotate your elbow toward the ceiling. 4. Then rotate it down toward the floor. Repeat 10 slow reps per side. This improves spinal mobility and helps your body move more naturally. Exercise 5. Shoulder dislocates. Don't worry, your shoulders won't actually dislocate. This exercise simply improves shoulder mobility and posture. It's amazing for people who sit at a desk or use a phone all day. How to do it? 1. Grab a stick, towel, or resistance band. 2. Hold it wide in front of your body. 3. Slowly raise it overhead and move it behind your back. 4. Then return to the starting position. Do 10 to 15 slow reps. Over time, this will improve shoulder flexibility and reduce tightness in the chest. Why these movements work? These 5 movements target the most important mobility areas in the body: hips, ankles, spine, and shoulders. When these areas move properly, your entire body moves better. And the best part? This routine takes less than 10 minutes a day. Consistency is what makes the difference. Your body is designed to move freely, bend easily, and stay strong. But modern life, sitting, screens, and lack of movement slowly takes that ability away. The good news? You can start fixing it today. Just a few minutes of mobility work each day can help you move better, feel stronger, and prevent future injuries. Your future body will thank you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple exercises that help you build strength, improve mobility, and move like your body was designed to. And tell me in the comments, which area of your body feels the most stiff right now? Hips, back, or shoulders? I'll see you in the next video.